Hey, what's going on, guys? Before this video starts, I just want to give a huge shout out to Gen X Dividend Investor, and he left a comment on my last video, which was 4 real ways to make money online. And he said, everyone should start a digital side hustle, starting a YouTube channel like is recommended here, about whatever you love, gaming, horseback riding, making chocolate, whatever you have passion in. Trust me, 5 years from now, you will probably be super glad you started, and its growth will be like investing in dividends. It will start slow and small, but if you stick with it and improve, it will grow. Thanks for the tips and video, and stick with it. So I just want to give a huge shout out to you, man. Thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate your comment. When you guys leave comments on things like this, it just makes my day. And I always am hearting comments. I'm always replying to comments. So if you guys have any suggestions or feedback that you want to give me on this video, please leave a comment down below, and I will probably feature it in my next video. I'll probably feature my favorite comment in my next video, similarly to like I did in this video. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. Hey, what's going on, guys? So today's video we're going to be doing M1 Finance Journey episode 5, and we're going to be doing it on mobile this time, no desktop version. We're just going to try out a new format. So since we left off, I have done a lot to my portfolio, but not a lot at the same time because I haven't moved any of my positions around. I have not messed with the percentages at all. I have not added anything. I have not gotten rid of anything. I've just kind of been depositing some more money into it, and I have put $90 since the last episode into this portfolio. So I was at $1,200 something before, and now I'm at $1,324.40. So that's just really cool. It's really nice how easy deposits are on M1 Finance and how quick they are, really, because they only take like 1 to 2 business days. I know that Robinhood has a similar type of deal. And what is cool about Robinhood is that the funds are available immediately, which is something that I do like. But this only takes a day, so it's not too bad. Let's just jump right into it here. So to start off, as I said before, I have not moved any positions around. I have not gotten rid of anything, not added anything, same old. But Apple has been performing phenomenally, and so has Realty Income Corporation. They are my 2 biggest holdings right now, and honestly, if it wasn't for these 2, I probably would be negative right now because I have a few in the red. I have most of them nowadays are in the green, but I have a lot of them that are in the red. So I really have Apple and Realty Income Corporation to thank for that. Usually every portfolio has a couple of really big hard hitters, but my 2 are Realty Income Corporation and Apple. So definitely recommend giving them a buy, especially Realty Income Corporation for its monthly dividend. If that's something you guys are interested in, definitely take a look at Realty Income Corporation. Something definitely to consider. My portfolio has been doing really well, and I'm actually really surprised because October has been notoriously a bad year for the stock market, and a bad month for the stock market historically. But honestly, this October has been phenomenal. And will this continue? Probably not, just because this has been kind of a really up and down year for the market. But honestly, I can't really complain right now. I'm doing really well right now. I'm up 2.88% on week 5 of M1 Finance. So do I recommend M1 Finance? 110%. I definitely recommend it to anyone who is new at investing, who wants to get into it and really wants to get their hands dirty and just really get into investing. It's just a phenomenal platform. I actually found out how to keep track of dividends, but it seems like you can only do that on the desktop version. So next episode, or whenever I get paid my next dividend, I will probably show you guys how I do that, how I keep track of them in the next episode. But as I said before, can't really complain about anything. I'm doing really well right now. I know that the thumbnails of these videos are a little bit confusing because people might say, oh, how did he make $100 or whatever in just a matter of a week? But that's just because I've been depositing money. I've been depositing a bunch of money into my account, and hopefully I will continue to deposit more. I've never really been someone who can get themselves on a steady schedule to deposit money. I usually just deposit huge amounts at once. I don't really deposit like $10 a day or like a week or anything. I'll usually deposit like $100 at the end of the week or something like that. Just bigger numbers, but just all at once. I've just always preferred doing it that way. There's not really a disadvantage to doing it daily or doing it weekly on a schedule, but I just prefer to put large amounts of money into it at once. But honestly guys, I can't complain about anything. My portfolio is doing phenomenally right now. That's pretty much all I had to talk about in this episode. If you guys enjoyed this episode, please leave a like, please comment some feedback on what you guys had on the video. If you guys are interested in joining M1 Finance, I have a link in the description and you will get $10 when you sign up, and so will I. So just as a sort of a good way to help each other out. And as I mentioned in my last video, I actually have a Twitter account now. So definitely go follow me, link in the description. I actually shortened my descriptions a lot by using bit.ly links, and that just made the descriptions a lot cleaner. But as I said before, please leave a comment, please like, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.